What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to take a look at the Honor 50 series which are going official on June 16. So in this video we are going to talk about all the 3 smartphones which Honor is launching with the Honor 50 series, which are the Honor 50 Pro, 50 and the 50 SE. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and help us reaching out this goal of 1000 subscribers. And if you have already done that, then give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started. So the very first thing, let's talk about the Honor 50 SE. Now this will be an entry-level model from the Honor 50 series, and it will come with a 6.7 inch of Full HD plus LCD display and with the MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset. On the camera side, it will sport a triple camera setup with a 100 megapixel as its primary camera, 8 megapixel of ultra-wide camera and 2 megapixel of macro camera. The battery of the phone will also be a decent one at the 4000 mAh battery, but what's interesting with this phone even is that the charging speed. The phone will be charging at 66 watt fast charging support, and that will be included with the box itself. On the weight side, the phone will weigh at 191 grams and it will sport a new Honor design, which has also been teased in the Huawei P50 series. The next smartphone is the Honor 50, and it comes with a 6.57 inch of Full HD plus OLED display, and it will be coming with a Snapdragon 778G chipset. There will be a quad camera setup on the back with a 108 megapixel as its primary camera, 8 megapixels of ultra-wide, 2 megapixel of depth and macro cameras. On the front, there will be a 32 megapixel front selfie snapper with a f2.2 aperture and 4300 mAh battery with the same as charging speed of 66 watt fast charging. Now this phone might also come with a curved display. We can also see the curved display on this phone, and finally the last one comes is the Honor 50 Pro. It will be an identical to the Honor 50, but the fact it will sport a bigger display of 6.72 Full HD plus OLED screen and with a high refresh rate of 120Hz, and it might be an adaptive one. The secondary camera on the front will be also there, which will make it a dual camera setup. For the front shooter, on the main camera will be of 32 selfie snapper and the secondary will be a 12 megapixel camera. Now the Pro will sport the maximum fast charging speed of 100 watt fast charging, but it will have a smaller battery capacity and be equal to the Honor 50 SE at 4000 mAh. The phone can be charged up to 0 to 100 in just under 25 minutes, and the Honor 50 Pro will weight at 187 grams only. You can also see from these images that the phone will be available in at least 4 colors, which are these which you are seeing right now on the screen. Now if you like this video, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.